Thank you, Dennis. Police in St. Petersburg are searching for two gunmen tonight after a popular sushi bar turned into a crime scene early this morning. As our Allison Morrow reports tonight, neighbors say they've been dealing with loud noise and violence at that restaurant for years.
The restaurant's known for its sushi, but its parking lot has another reputation.
I got woken up 1:30 in the morning. There was a mob of at least 50 or 60 people out there screaming, fighting, just like a mob fight.
This neighbor is so scared of retaliation, she asked us not to show her face. That's because her bedroom window gives her a clear view of Hiro's Tokyo Steakhouse. Lace curtains that she says aren't quite thick enough.
Hide. Hope the bullet don't come through the window.
Early Wednesday morning, police received calls of gunshots behind Hiro's. A bullet grazed one woman in the head. Another struck a man's leg. At least two shooters now on the run. Aaron Headley arrested for bashing in two car windshields with a baseball bat.
There are some places in town where they are dangerous places and they expect shootings. Hiro's is not one of those places.
Robert Heyman serves as the restaurant's attorney. He says owners plan to hire off-duty officers as well as install cameras and extra lights.
They have every interest in being a good neighbor.
But that's a change in attitude for the restaurant, if you ask William Thomas.
Well, I live near the neighborhood, and I'm afraid where bullets go up, obviously, Newton, they come down.
Since January, St. Pete officers have broken up at least 5 fights and an aggravated battery outside. So even though Hiro's has plans to make peace, this neighbor still has plans to keep police on her speed dial.
It is just a madhouse, and it's dangerous.
Neighbors say the real problem, this restaurant stays open until about 3 a.m. and basically turns into a club scene. When they've approached the owner about all the problems, they say he's advised them to call police, which they say they plan to continue to do. In St. Petersburg, Allison Morrow, ABC Action News.